Hey guys, it's cooking time. Wow. Welcome back to my channel. At this time po mag-i-invento naman ako ng luto. Ayan, meron po ako ditong ampalaya. Nilagyan ko po ng chicken at saka ng beef. Ng beef, ng pork sa loob. Yan. Ayan, meron po ako dito. Lalagyan ko siya. Dito sa loob. Yan. Just wash. I just put inside the chicken and the pork. Yeah, slice. Like this. Yes. And the others I'm gonna put under. Yeah. So that can absorb. Tama ba? Yan. Okay. Lagyan natin ng gonna put seasoning. Up to you, just minimize, okay? Pepper. Oregano. Nutmeg. Oyster sauce. Soy sauce. It's like para siyang adobo. Sesame oil. Pampalasa. Milk vinegar. Malt pala. Lagyan natin lahat. Also, we can put a little bit white wine vinegar. Ayan. And just a splash of vinegar. And one dish water. Yes, that's it, guys. And we have to cook. And that's it. We cook it until they taste good. I don't know how many hours or how many minutes. Maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't know. Up to you. Guys, now it's already nearly cooked. But we have to taste. Look. Taste. Oh my god, so yummy. I can't wait to taste this with the rice. Oh, good. Try this at home. Good. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you like, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know what taste, what you cook. Just always be minimized. And it's very nice to invent your recipe. It's good. Recipe invention. Good luck, guys. I love you all. God bless.